Looking to start a career in sustainability, environmental management, or ESG but unsure where to begin? The ISEP Foundation Certificate in Sustainability and Environmental Management is your perfect starting point. This globally recognized UK qualification from the Institute of Sustainability and Environmental Professionals provides a solid foundation in sustainability principles, environmental management, and climate responsibility. Whether you're a beginner, a fresh graduate, or a professional looking to switch careers, this course requires no prior experience and is designed to build your expertise. It's CPD-focused, industry-relevant, and an excellent pathway to advanced diplomas. After completing the certificate, you can pursue roles like Sustainability Officer, Environmental Consultant, or ESG Coordinator, standing out in today's competitive job market. Plus, professionals with these skills often earn 15 to 30% more. Ready to future-proof your career? Enroll now with M2Y Global Academy and take your first step toward a greener future. Limited seats available.